Medlin here. We're over here in Kansas City, Missouri at a house on McGee Street. Looks like it's a house that needs some repairs, but is priced lower than most of the other houses in the neighborhood. So we're gonna go take a look at it, find out why. So here's a good picture of the outside of the house. You can see the hasn't been painted or updated for quite a while, and there is a little bit of a kind of a bow and left side of the roof there, if you can see that. And then over here, I'm gonna go on in, check out the inside. It does smell a little bit musty in here. I came in and opened the door before we started shooting the video. You're gonna see this was a rental property too, according to the other agent that has it listed. So got, you know, the original old fan in here, and the wall colors are not bad, but probably gonna need a coat of paint. You know, got some spots and stuff on the walls, nail holes, anchors. The carpet, not in the greatest shape. Got some stains on it, so you're probably gonna need some carpet. On rental houses, of course, I always like to use hard surface, so could come back in here with maybe, yeah, the floor in here could use some pergo or laminate in this living room. Since it is a rental, that's gonna be a better choice. The windows themselves, not bad. You know, it looks like they are metal casement, and it looks like they're in fairly good shape. I don't see too much any need of window replacement, at least on that one. This is the first bedroom, so when you come in from the front door, you go to the left, and there's a bedroom right here. This is a 2-bedroom house, so the bedrooms are not huge. There's a ceiling fan that's kind of out of date. The ceiling's pretty nasty. I would recommend it painted. But here's some concerns here, and you got some settling going on along the walls, and there's cracking in the ceiling all the way across. And I think the main reason that's probably occurring is because of the slope of the backyard, the way it all slopes down towards the house, which is not a positive thing. Crack in the corner there, crack around this window. So yeah, there's definitely some movement going on in this house. And I don't know what they were doing here along the baseboard, but somebody had, looks like, patched or tried to patch something along that baseboard. I don't know if they were trying to keep water out or what that was all about. There's also a crack there that somebody tried to patch. So DIY at its finest, it looks like. And there's the closet with the same kind of patching going on, it looks like. On into the next bedroom, you're gonna see familiar cracking, the need of carpet again. This bedroom's even smaller. Got some cracks up here in this corner and around this window. Around this door frame that we just walked through in that corner. And then now we can go on into the kitchen. There's a stackable laundry unit here. And then here's the bathroom as well. So find the light switch. Well, here it is. Okay. One piece shower tub combo, that's good. Builder grade type stuff. It usually keeps the water from going anywhere. That'd be fine for a rental. There's the panel, which is in the bathroom. Take a look at that. It's a 100 amp service panel. And it has the newer style breakers, which is good, not the old fuse kind. Here's your vanity and bathroom mirror. toilet. It's got tile floor, which is cracked. So that would probably need to be fixed. And again, here is the stackable washer and dryer combo. And the furnace and hot water heater. Since this is on a slab, that's where they are, right here in the middle of the house. So, hot water heater, it's a little bit older. I believe that they're both gas, and here's the furnace. Furnace does have some age to it as well. It does have a disconnect. And your old style flue pipe going straight out the roof. The old school thermostat, makeup air, vent, and then here is the kitchen. Got a range, ceiling fan, and that's all the cabinets in the kitchen, so it's not a huge kitchen. It does have this laminate flooring on it already. It has these built-in cabinets, which are mainly for your food storage, but they're kind of ugly back there as well. So gonna probably need to address that, clean that up, make it look better for somebody to move in and pay a little bit better rent. It does have a refrigerator. And then you walk out here where there's actually a garage on this one with a covered area. So there's a carport and a garage. We'll go around to the back and check it out. So you'll see what I'm talking about as far as the slope of the yard. We're going to go around the side of the house here. Here's the backyard. There's a little shed up there that has the windows boarded up for some reason. That comes with the property, but you can see how this yard slopes back down. It even has this retaining wall. And this retaining wall over the years is starting to blow out too with all the rain and pressure that's been on it. But see, this is that garage. So the garage door is actually up in that part of the garage. And this is the actual, if you drove through the garage door, this is where you'd be parking, is this section here. So there's a big plate glass window here. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but yeah, it looks a little bit rough as well. There's the roof of the house. So not brand new by any means, but it's still got a little bit of life in it. I still see some grit on it. That looks like an old sewer clean out. There's the outside condensing unit for the air conditioner. You do see some cracks down here in this stucco type concrete finish on the walls. Some cracks that have been fixed. And again, this is probably all from, like I said before, this yard sloping towards this house. Just making it settle. It's got an outdoor fireplace, which they had a lot of those out here in this area of town back in the day. And go up here. This is what that garage looks like, and that roof looks to be a metal type roof. Yeah, metal roof with some overlayment they had put on it. I would probably go ahead and maybe put a new layer on there. And then here's like a back door to that garage. So basically put kind of a permanent screen door, it looks like right there, so they can open up. And then it does slope a little bit away from the garage, which is good right there, away from those windows. I don't know if you can see it from this angle, but it definitely does. That's better, but unfortunately the rest of the yard kind of falls back over here towards the house. So this one definitely needs quite a bit of work. Got an old dead tree here, which is, that's probably a $1,000 tree to get taken down. It looks like it's pretty much completely dead. So that was gonna need to come down sooner rather than later. And then of course you have this shed, which is rotting on the corners and on the outsides, and does have the wood on the windows for some reason. So anyway, here's kind of an overview look at the back of the house with that garage. 2-bedroom, 1 bath, 700 and some square feet. They just reduced the price to $72,000. And this is, you're probably seeing why. It does need quite a bit of work. And that'll be it for today.